Hey everyone, and welcome back to Butchy Boom. Wow, have our videos been going off the charts. Our Uber series has been wonderful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm very, very grateful. Today I want to talk to you really quickly about the star rating system. So Uber has their thing. It's a rating between 1 and 5 stars. 1 the worst, 5 the best. We'll save the best for last. You want to avoid at all costs a rating of 3, 2, or 1. You don't want those. Anything less or 3 or under tells Uber that don't ever pair me with that person again. They were a horrible driver, a horrible car, horrible experience overall. And the lower the rating, the more serious the reason. And usually Uber requires to put a reason for those kind of things, for those kind of ratings. They get concerned about it. Sometimes a customer does, sometimes they don't. I don't know what to tell you. I've had some rogue ratings, but primarily I stay within the 4s and 5s. I think right now I have 4, and the 4 stars I have 13, and 5 I have 480 something. They change as you get more and more. After you get over 100, I think it's every 500 or so, the numbers will start to change a little more. So it takes a little while once you get established to change your star system. 5 and 4. Very good ratings, preferably 5. Here's what you need to do. Have your car clean. Be respectable when you go to pick up your people. Be respectful to your riders. Don't drive herky-jerky. Give them a nice, comfortable ride. Have the car aired out and smelling as nice and fresh as possible. Your riders don't expect a lot. They just expect a good, safe, clean ride. Sometimes decent conversation, sometimes not. When a customer wants to engage in conversation with me, I know it's almost a guaranteed 5-star rating. And one last thing on the keep the outside of your car clean too. It all matters. And one last thing on the rating system. Uber has this really strange thing. Somehow the rider, the way they rate the driver is buried somehow in the app. I've really never seen it, because I've only taken Uber a couple of times, and because I couldn't find the rating system back before I started driving, I couldn't rate. So it's very frustrating. I personally consider a no rating a success. I consider that a hidden 5-star. So not every customer or rider is going to rate, but the same thing with all of those recommendations I gave you for the 5-star. That'll also help you get big tips, and that's what you want, because Uber pays crap. You need the tips. So I wish you well in driving. We're going to put our next video out. We're going to start talking about the Uber Pro system and why that matters and why it's important, and also the ratings, your cancellation rate, your acceptance rate, so forth and so on. So stick around. Please subscribe if you haven't already. We have so many more videos coming out for you. They're going to be coming out fast, so stay tuned, folks. Thank you.